let's break the records today in the trading. So trading is actually a very good part. While you learn and trade, you can earn more and more. So let's do trading from today onwards. We will be on the live every day. Okay. So let's start up with the setup. So actually, I don't trade any setups or don't trade any news. So basically, it will be on a pure price action and SMC concepts and ICT concepts. So most probably, my view in the trading will be very good. You can see my past trades. I'll show you my past trades, some of my past trades. You can see that thing for your reference. That's for nothing. Just for reference, I'll show you the old trades which I took. So this is the market. I didn't take any trades from few days onwards. So the people think a 70 pips SL is a big SL, but see, this was not my SL. This is only my SL. Okay, I just pulled. Actual SL should be this, but my SL only this much. Okay, my SL is around only 20 pips, guys. Only 20 pips. So by the 20 pips, we have captured out 680 pips. 680 pips in the gold, guys. Okay, and there is a no time. It's a very momentum time. So we took it the trade, and I can show you here small trades. These are all little trades, but it will give motivation to you. See, so this is an basically a simple trade. I have entered here. There is a 30 pip stop loss actually, but we will never trade 30 pip stop loss. We will only take 20 pip stop loss always in my channel. So remember this thing. We will never take the trades on 30 pips or 40 pips or 50 pips. So most probably it will be very 20 pips max and max. Okay, so this is the trade. See, you can see 140 pips captured within minutes. There is no time. See, after this I have closed my setups, but I can find very better trades after it. Okay, this is one more trade, and actually you'll never understand my trading style. It's type of different style. Yeah, and here, see, I don't want to show you the expectations and give you something very weird at the end. Okay, so basically what happened, this is not this much big trade. What happened, there was a market crash. Okay, there was a market crash actually. So this trade didn't start here actually. Okay, for me this trade didn't start here. The trade started for me is here. Okay, see, I have marked two upside and a downside. Where 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 you can see there is a manipulation candle here, in here, which can take our stop losses. Okay, who all people entered at the buy side will confirmly get at the stop losses. But okay, let me remove this thing, and I'll show you one more thing, guys. See, we took a immediate trade which is 230 pips. Okay, 230 pips. The stop loss of again a 15 to 20 pips. That much only. We are not gonna risk more than 20 pips in any trade. Okay, the main concept of mine, we never gonna invest more on stop loss. Okay, so this is a trade. See, you can see it was only, I guess, it's a just 10 or 12 pip trade. 12 pip trade, 12 pip stop loss, and you got a 200 points move very immediately, very quickly. It's only just 5 minutes chart, and you can see one candle we have captured all the moment. Can I say the reason why did he capture this moment? See, basically I saw a fair value gap here. Okay, I saw a fair value gap here. Okay, the next moment I saw a fair value gap here. See, even I have marked this. It's a fair value gap. I'll show this is a fair value gap for me. Okay, so basically any trade which we take will be based on a fair value gap or a point of interest. Okay, um, so see, we have captured a very good move. Okay, remove that 30 pips, we have captured almost a 200 pip trade. This is not a normal thing, only in a 5 minute. So after it has failed to touch the fair value gap. Then I understood there is a lot of selling pressure in the market, where we can see by this candle where it dropped every person stop loss on the buyer sides. Okay, every person stop loss has taken by this candle actually. So by this, there is a small buying in there. The big people get out of these trades because they never lose the money in these type of shit trades actually. So see, where the retail people lost their money in these trades, most probably in these trades retail persons will lose your money. Okay, so basically what happened, guys, this after this moment I have observed by this candle, by these two candles I have observed only one thing. There is a huge selling in the market, where one big green candle has taken by two big red candles, right? So I have observed this. So after it, I want to take a trade from here. Go directly, it will never go directly. It needs to tap, it need a tap. So there is a tap of liquidity there, up there. Now 1 minute time frame. Okay, 1 minute time frame gives you the perfect stop loss of 20 pips or 15 pips. That's enough for the loss. That's enough for the loss. Okay, this much. I'm not gonna take our more than this much. Okay, that was a tap and we entered. Okay, and it never touched the stop loss again. Why? Why? Why, guys? Why didn't it touch our stop loss again? Where, where people see the 20 pip stop loss as a shit. It will hit like anything, right? It will hit like anything by gold. Every time, every time. See, this is not a normal thing actually. I also have been taken more stop loss than your total profit. That's okay. So let's see. And I will show you something more. After this, we have taken this trade, a very conceptual trade, where we tapped the again a liquidity zone. Where we tapped. After that, I have entered the trade. Okay, and the maximize. See, this candle didn't stop here. After that, I took a trade. It didn't stop. So basically, already a 360 pip move. Okay, so I have thought to give the trade in the Telegram actually. Okay, Telegram. Why means after breaking the level, after breaking the level. Okay, this is a basically a normal level, not a huge level, not a big level. This one was a huge. This one was a huge level for me because it was a major level where it needs to be tapped for liquidity. Okay, this one is a normal level which it broke, and by that lit candle again where it touched, I want to give their entries there actually. So I gave the entry. So again, you can see from here I have captured a big move of 1000 pips. 1000 pips. Can anyone give 20 pip stop loss and a 1000 pip move in the market? capture the actually this after 1,000 pip move. Why would I have captured this small shit trades, right? I didn't capture anything after that. That was my last trades. Very good trades, two trades per day. It was very well trades. Okay, one was 230 pips and one more is this. And you can see one more trade here. Yeah. See, you can see my stop loss trades even after 100 pip, not a normal pip. Okay. So this one. So basically, what is this? Why did I take this trade? See, again a stop loss of 20 pips, not more than that. Not more than that. Okay, not more than that. So after this, actually, we can see there is a liquidity tap. It need a liquidity tap where we didn't enter at this point. We entered at second point, not at the first point. We entered at the second point and took a 250 pips. Okay, for your information, it's 250 pips trade with only 20% of stop loss, where it goes very well, very well. See, these all are moves in the market. We don't need any like to capture every movement in the market. Capture the movements which you get. Okay. So basically, here you can see one more thing. This is an actually a level, a very good level, major level. It was a round level. Okay, 350. It tapped and fall. How much point fall? Shall we see? How much point did it fall? It was around. So we'll not capture everything, right? We'll capture only this much. It was a 500 pip. It was 500 pips. 500 pips trade in a gold is not a normal thing, where you can make an excellent amount of money with one lot or zero point 0.1 lot or zero point 0.2 lot even. Not a normal thing. So this one also you can capture. It was very trade, very good trade. See, even here I'll show you one trade. Basically, what was it? It was a normally liquid taps, 3 time liquid tap, and the 4th time liquid tap will pakka surely happen for it. Sure shot it happened as 3 liquidity tap and we captured 120 pips, but it took a stop loss. My thought was actually it may take the stop loss of the upper point here, stop loss of these guys who sellers are sitting. So my view was not at all here. My view was till here. It was around 200 pips. So I wait for the trade. I waited for the trade, but it took my stop loss. That's okay. I didn't take profit in it. Even here, even this congestion market, even in this congestion market where we can see, I took a trade of 180 pips. If I have captured the whole moment, how much pips can I get? But we never capture a full moment, never see the expectations that you are seeing, never go on the expectations that you are seeing. Just a trend line break structure, very good trade. It was around 210 pips trade, 210 pips in the gold, guys, in the gold. So basically, we can play with the gold when you analyze the market very surely and very correctly and have a confidence in you. We can get very good trades. See, this is a Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin. So basically, I don't like Bitcoin. I don't know why I don't like Bitcoin. I don't want to trade the Bitcoin actually. See, I have a given smooth momentum here, smooth momentum where we can see a very good momentum trades, guys. Actually, Bitcoin I don't like, but let's see. Okay, let's analyze the gold chart and let me give you a trade, guys. Let me analyze once. See, this is the gold chart. Let's analyze it in a 15 minutes time frame and come to the 5 minutes. Okay. See, this was an actually a good level for support, where gold has breaking the support again, guys. Shit has happened again. Very good level was broken by the gold where you can see almost they are only take profits. So let's analyze the gold and let me give you the trade, guys. So basically what happened here, again I can give you, by seeing the chart you can say one thing, what will be happening in the next in the market. Can you say, guys, can you say? A simple and clear trend where I can give you an upside trade here. Why? Because reason why, it needs to be tapped. Liquidity, guys, liquidity. Again a 20 pips of stop loss, you can take a trade here. So let me see what is this, where we are getting a support. So yeah, this is a support level actually. It is a good support. It's okay, it's okay support. It's and good support only. But let it tap the support level once, because the major support level has already broken, so we can see a fall actually. But before fall we need to see the tap, we need to see a liquidity tap. Okay, let's go on a time frame, smaller time frame. So by this we can see the gold is a liquidating, guys. This is called liquidating. This candle is called liquidating candle, where it liquidated all buyers and took the stop loss of all buyers. So it needs to be go up now. So currently we are holding up trade with 20 pips of stop loss, 20 pips of stop loss. Okay, guys, 20 pips of stop loss, and I need a tap actually. Okay, I need a tap. The tap is around, 260 pips. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see it in. Let's see this. Can we this happen? But I see a, sorry guys, I see a small structure of move here. The gold has already tapped at liquidity level. Tried to tap the liquidity level twice, but it couldn't type. So there will be a small SL, I guess. Yes, you got your SL. Sorry.